All right, we start with a look at traffic for this afternoon. It's a busy day on the roads. We're looking in the northeastern section of town because this section has really had some trouble today. I-20 westbound at Wilson Boulevard, there are some issues there. There is an accident causing major backups on the west side portion of I-20. Also, Marietta Street, an accident there at Farrell Drive. And then as we get in a bit closer, you can see there are backups up and down Two Notch Road. Also over towards I-77, there are some issues there. If you're trying to go between I-77 and Two Notch near Alpine, you're going to have some issues there as well. Heading over towards Horal Hill as we look down towards 378. If you're going to be traveling out Garners Ferry Road trying to get to Sumter, you're going to run into some slow spots on that section as well. Into Lexington now, if you're going to be traveling on Highway 1, that is also an area now seeing some backups and some slowdowns, all indicated by the red and of course the yellow that you do see on the map there. All right, we now transition and talk a little bit about the weather forecast. We have great conditions on tap for tonight and heading into tomorrow morning. It's tomorrow afternoon that we start to track the possibility of showers and storms across the area. First, we'll see the cloud cover rolling in and then the storms. 3:30, 4 o'clock, we'll have those storms on the western portion of the viewing area, and then we start to see them moving in closer. Notice that Winsboro areas over down towards the northern portion of Columbia, heading over towards Lexington and north. That's where you'll see the first round of loud and noisy storms. Remember, we will see lightning, gusty wind, and the possibility of hail with elevated spring storms. As we move into about 5:30, 6 o'clock, the heart of the afternoon rush hour, we could see some decent storms in and around the downtown sector. Could one or two of them reach severe limits? Absolutely. So make sure you stay weather aware right through your Thursday afternoon. We will be in alert mode at that point. Once we get into the overnight period heading into Friday night, that is a point that we do see some of the storms kind of winding down. They kind of quiet down. They lose the heating of the day. But once we get the sun going on Friday morning, that's of course when we'll start to see things ramping back up just a bit. So I want you to stay aware for the entire day on Friday, even though I do believe most of the energy with the system will be out of here for the beginning of the day. Once we move into the afternoon, we'll see peaks of sunshine and temperatures will start to warm up nicely. This is a look at your 7-day forecast now. Remember, alert mode takes effect tomorrow afternoon and we'll stay with it right through your Friday. We'll see 73 on tomorrow and then we'll see 80 coming into play on your Friday. And then over the weekend, great weather expected. We will see great conditions. We're going to talk about great weather continuing right through the entire weekend, but heading into next week, we do it all over again with another round of showers.